Fashion King and Queen. We have also Pinakabongga Mask Award, and last but not the least, Best Dress of the Night. Okay.
Yeah, and we will be giving out prizes, by the way. I hope everyone is excited.
Are you excited, guys? I can hear you louder.
Yeah, I can hear it. Yes. A big yes, please.
Okay, so let's begin.
Go TL! Go TL! Woo! Yes, TL!
Tonight, I am deeply grateful for all your participation and your cooperation, for all the activities that management and HR have prepared for you, from the Bay contests to the masquerade that you have tonight. I appreciate that you have shown a great sense of teamwork, and I can see how much you wanted to engage and be connected with each other. I hope that you would continue to do that, because this is not the only night that we will have this kind of event. I believe that there's going to be a lot more celebrations coming. And as an incentive or a bonus of seeing everybody, all the efforts you've done every day with your team, decorating your base and preparing for this event, despite the weather, you chose to be here and said, rain or shine, you'll come here and get connected with each other. We have decided to actually double up your cash prizes for the Bay contest by 100%. Please look forward to good days such as this, because this is not the only night that we're going to do this. We have a lot more celebrations to look forward to, because the success of the company is your success too. So despite the weather, I welcome you all to OBPO. Thank you for coming tonight.
of OBPO, we have now inaugurated and blessed our new site. Thank you so much. Again, congratulations everyone. Please all clap your hands. Thank you.